Need to create a banner design but don't have the required tools or skills? Well, if that's the case, then don't worry, since in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a banner using Placet's online banner maker. I'm Andrew and you're watching an Envato Tuts Plus tutorial. First, make sure you navigate to the Placet website and create an account since you're going to need it later on in order to download the final design. Once you're ready, you can access the tool using the site's top menu by heading over to Designs and then clicking on Banner Maker. Here you'll find a truly impressive library of banner templates from which you can choose from. If you need help figuring out which template will be a better fit, you can use the free text input boxes found at the top of the page, which will give you a quick preview of how they would actually look like once you add your own text. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with this colorful floral one since I really like the way it looks. Once you've made up your mind, you can further customize the design by clicking on it, which will open it up within a new window tab. Here you'll be greeted by the actual banner front and center, which will be surrounded by a couple of options which may vary depending on the template itself. Usually on the left side you'll have all your text related options, while on the right one you'll find your shape and background related ones. To change the default text, all you have to do is click on its corresponding input box and then override the preview one with your own. You can further adjust the text by changing its font and even its color using the underlying drop-down lists. When it comes to colors, you can either choose from one of the predefined values, or you can click on More and use a custom one of your own. If needed, you can actually hide a text line by unchecking the little checkbox found in front of it. Moving on down, you'll see that we have the option of uploading our own logo, but for this example, I'm going to leave that out. If we move on to the right side of the page, we'll see an option called Banner, which will allow us to change the color of the shape found underneath our text. We then have Button, which lets us change the color and style of the call to action button. Lastly, we have another option called Background, which, as the name suggests, allows us to change the color and style of the background. To be honest, I really like the default floral pattern, so for this example, I'm going to leave it as it is. Since the template supports interactive editing, we can easily adjust the position of some of our banner's composing elements by first clicking on them in order to bring up their bounding box, and then simply clicking and dragging in order to reposition them as needed. You can also resize them by hovering over the bounding box's corners and then clicking and dragging either outwards or inwards, depending on what you're trying to achieve. If for some reason you're not happy with the result, you can easily undo all the changes by using the Reset Layout button. Once you've finished customizing the template using the digital banner maker, you can download the resulting design by simply clicking on the download button, which will charge you a small fee every time you use it. That being said, I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you in the next one.